Have you ever wondered where the sweet, juicy mangoes on your plate come from? Our story begins with a tiny, mighty seed, dreaming of becoming a majestic mango tree. As the sun rises and rain falls, our little hero faces challenges, from harsh weather to curious critters. But with resilience, the seed sprouts, reaching towards the sky, a tiny sprout no more. Leaves unfurl, green and vibrant, as our tree begins to embrace its role in the world. Seasons change, and our tree stands tall, a testament to the cycle of life. Blossoms appear, delicate and hopeful, a prelude to the magic that's to come. Bees buzz, pollinating the flowers, an essential dance for fruit to grow. Tiny mangoes begin to form, green and eager, each one a promise of sweetness. With sunshine and rain, they grow, each day a bit bigger, a bit closer to ripeness. Finally, the mangoes are ready, golden and fragrant, a reward for nature's hard work. Harvest time brings joy as each mango is picked with care, a celebration of growth. From seed to fruit, the mango's journey is a marvel, a circle of life that nourishes and delights. And so the story of the mango teaches us about resilience, growth, and the beauty of nature. Next time you enjoy a mango, remember its incredible journey and cherish the sweet taste of life.